Hello children, welcome to today's EVS class. In the previous class, I explained about religious festival. And I also explained about important religious festival. The important religious festivals celebrated by our countries are: first one, Christmas. It is celebrated by Christian people. And Diwali is celebrated by Hindu people. And Eid is celebrated by Muslim people. And Guru Purab is celebrated by Sikh people. And how can they celebrate it? I explained it, right? Today we are going to learn about national festival. What is national festival? There are some national days that are celebrated by the people all over our country, all over India. This celebrating of national days are known as national festival. I repeat once again. There are some national days celebrated by the people all over India. The celebrating of national days are known as national festival. Got it, children? Our national festivals are Independence Day and Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. First, we learn about Independence Day. When we celebrate Independence Day, did you know it? Yes, 15th August. Open it, page number 27. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Independence means to become free. We celebrate this day because India got freedom from the British on this day in 1947. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Everyone sings the national anthem. Dear children, 15th August, every year we celebrate Independence Day. 15th August in the year 1947. In the year 1947, we got freedom. A long time ago, our India was ruled by British people. In the year 1947, August 15th, we got freedom from British rules. So many people have sacrificed their lives for this freedom of our country. So every year on this day, we remember freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life for the freedom of our nation. It is the most important day in our Indian history. Okay, children. 15th August, our Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister hoists the national flag in Red Fort at Delhi. And they addresses the nation and gives the message to the people of India. And we are all celebrate it, right? Okay, children. And next, Republic Day. We celebrate it January 26th. When we celebrate Republic Day, we celebrate it January 26th. Okay. Republic Day. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January every year. India became a republic on this day. We celebrate it because the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Republic Day parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. A lot of people take part in the parade and perform in front of the large gathering. The parade also includes colorful Jhankiyan. The President of India hoists the national flag. Dear children, we celebrated the Republic Day on 26 January every year. India became Republic on this day. We got constitutions in that day, January 26th, the year 1950. In the year 1950, we got Republic, we got Constitution, we form a Constitution. What is the meaning of Constitution? Constitution is a set of rules. Constitution is a set of rules and regulation. It is help to smooth going of our administration of our country. Constitution is a set of rules. It helps to smooth going of administration of our country. Got it, children? Okay, the Republic Day parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. There is a grand parade is held on that day. The students of school and colleges and different folk dancer and traditional dancer in the different part of our country participate in this parade. Lots of people come to see this Republic Day parade. They come to see this Republic Day parade. It is a wonderful and colorful parade. Our President of India hoists the national flag at Delhi. Who hoists the national flag? Our President of India. Got it, children? Next national festivals are Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate it October 2nd. Let me see. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. He played an important role in India's independence from the British. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of nation. Many people fondly call him Bapu. The leaders of our country visit Rajghat. They offer flowers and prayers at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. We all pay respect to the great leader on this day. October 2nd, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi is born in 1869, Porbandar at Gujarat. He played an important role in our Indian independence. Got it, children? He played an important role in Indian independence. Mahatma Gandhi is called as father of nation. Father of nation, Rashtrapita. What do you call? Rashtrapita. And children's lovingly called Bapu. They called lovingly as Bapu. Okay. On that day, the leaders of our country, or Prime Minister and Presidents, and other leaders of our country visit Rajghat. There is a Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. They visit there and they offer flowers and prayers. We all pay respect to great leader on that day. Right, children? Okay. Dear children, apart from this celebration, these national festivals, we also celebrate few other important days in our school. Right? Children's Day. That is Children's Day and Teachers' Day. We celebrate in our school. Right? Children's Day. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. We celebrate this day to remember this fondness for children. On Children's Day, a lot of activities are held for children. In some schools, teachers put up a show for the children. November 14th, you know it, your favorite day, right? Children's Day. We celebrate as a Children's Day. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of our India. They have lot of love with children. So, we celebrate as his birthday is as a Children's Day. Lot of activities are held for children. You know it. In our school, a lot of activities are held for the children. In some schools, teacher put up a show for the children. Right? Okay. Next, Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day 5th September every year. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the second President of India. He helped to spread the education in India. Students show their love and respect for their teachers by giving them flowers and cards on this day. Teachers' Day. When we celebrate it? September 5th. Right? 5th September we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was second President of our India. He was second President of our India. Students show their respect and love to teachers by giving flowers and some greeting cards. Right? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan helped to spread education in our India. So, we celebrate as Teachers' Day. Got it, children? Okay. See here. Here is our national flag. You know it. How many colors in our national flag? There are 3 colors. Right? You know it. Saffron, white and green. What it indicates? Saffron indicates strength and courage of our country. Right? Saffron indicates strength and courage of our country. You color it, okay? Next, white. White indicate what? Peace, purity of our country. Peace and purity of our country. And green. Green indicate what? Green indicate prosperity and fertility of our country. You color it, okay? Okay, children.